Hello, Kirsty with Lehman Jewelers here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about certified diamonds and hopefully answer all of your questions about them. So first I want to start with talking about what a certification actually is. Well, it's when a diamond has been sent to an institute similar to who we use, GIA, the Gemological Institute of America, and they actually grade your diamond with a fine-tooth comb and give it a legal document, whether that be like a paper one like this right here that I'll show you, or an electronic one online. And basically it lists every bit of information about your diamond, from the color to the clarity and everything in between. Why a certification is important is because it basically verifies what your diamond is. Picture it like the fingerprint of your stone. It's also a great thing to have whenever you're talking about getting your piece of jewelry with your certified diamond, whether that be a ring, a pendant, or some earrings, appraised. Having that documentation is really, really helpful for that as well. It also is going to list things like the quality, like we talked about, but it's going to be really, really in depth. So the 4 key things I'm going to talk about today are the 4 C's of diamonds, which are the color, clarity, cut, and the carat weight. So the color refers to how clear or how yellow your diamond is. It's on a moving scale that starts with the letter D as the top of the line, all the way to the letter Z. The closer to D you go, the clearer your stone is. And the closer to Z you get, the more yellow hints your stone is going to have. The second thing your certification is going to list is your stone's clarity. The clarity refers to the characteristics in your diamond or any inclusions that might be in there. And this is also on a moving scale from flawless, which means absolutely no characteristics in it whatsoever, all the way down to included, which means sometimes you can see those inclusions with the naked eye. The third thing on this list is the cut grade. Now the cut grade only applies to round diamonds because they have the opportunity to be perfectly symmetrical in their cut. Other stones like oval or radiant or pear-shaped, those are really subjective to what you love. Sometimes you might like an oval that is, shorter or thinner and longer, whereas another person might like one that's a little bit shorter and a little bit wider. So it's just more subjective in that way, which is why you'll only see the cut grades for round diamonds. And the fourth and final thing is the carat weight, which talks about the size of your diamond in weight, whether that be a half carat, a quarter carat, or a 4 carat, everything in between. And that's just a few of the key things you'll find on your certification. Now, and the next thing we want to talk about is the difference between natural and lab-grown diamonds. We get asked this question all the time. What are the differences? So here we go. Let's dive into it. A natural diamond is a diamond that has been grown in the ground over many years. A lab-grown diamond is the exact same thing genetically as a natural diamond. The only difference is it's grown in a controlled environment indoors. The best example I can give is ice. You have ice that grows outside and it has 2 ingredients, water and cold air. But it takes a lot of time and the elements have to be just right for it to form. Whereas you have your ice maker in your refrigerator, it also has 2 ingredients, water and cold air, but you can mass produce it because it's in a controlled environment. That is the biggest difference between natural and lab-grown diamonds. They're the exact same thing, they're just grown in 2 different environments. I'm actually going to show you a lab-grown and a natural. So in my tweezers here, I have a lab-grown diamond, and in the ring, I have a natural diamond. They are both very sparkly. They are both very shiny and pretty, and that's because they're the exact same thing. The only difference is the area or the environment in which they were grown. So if you're interested in learning more, we have a wide selection of natural and lab-grown diamonds in stock at all 3 of our locations. So be sure to come in and check it out. I'm also curious to know what questions you have. So if you have any questions about anything that we've discussed, certified diamonds, the 4 C's of diamonds, or the difference between natural and lab grown, just go ahead and give us a comment below and we will get to them. We want to make sure everyone understands about diamonds before they start shopping for them, whether that means for a beautiful engagement ring or a beautiful pair of diamond studs and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to like this video and make sure you're following us on all of our socials. We cannot wait to continue doing videos like this to make sure you guys know everything there is to know so you feel confident whenever you go in to make your purchase. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.